Igbo na mena game take na kwa mono biko konye chini aza gwasi nke tata na anwụ. Ihe kana isikwa n'okwu bụ Igbo content creators. Mana nwere okwu na ese no. Ele motelero moto some group of people join under some join under Igwe create up voice out to hear ya emele here meeting yesterday. Mande si na zolo bitas ana azele mande si na ocho market zolo aje market we mande si na ocho ebe ọ na-achọ ele mmanya nke ha mgba ahụ gịnị so all this okwu niile ekwugide mgba ahụ kwucha kita anwa. They held meeting yesterday on live video, which I cannot post like I gave my reasons yesterday, but the videos are some in other platforms. Meeting I held by Governor Izuku, but I'm meeting him ago bana kuchi hebu chie ma wakaji ha. So Izuku sikwa kwa ochi kwa haya obele ka hamala na tana kini me na anya okwu na aga warawara anya na aga warawara na afọ ya ene the complete video Izuku me kono na ihe okwu no boss nke tata ka dị kwa na mgbe ọzọ ndị bai.
You know, still talking about content creators and they too has a deceive in the mad with their personal interest. Because the matter came up today, let us remind JPAC of this voice note. Listen, I won't go and make sense. You marry for who sense. They have to call the content creators how would their personal interest when they remove to not turn against people. Then let us remind him of this. Then I will have something to say.
Good evening from here. Oh, eyes of the gods.
Eyes of the gods.
Hopefully they don't play before. For the business and February.
Get our own back of Zion on Ifane. Get our own boho audio billionaire. Get our own bama no eyes of the gods. Get our own bama no so committed na business na business ya he make on space. Na egenti yo ki wefu ebebu no we change ki wefu the reason patalo unya ho juwe na act into sia act ngonwa soko eke egu.
This year, even they defend the minister. I'm a coach account. JPAC was coming in February. And they post
all yesterday, no on Facebook. Facebook doesn't feed me. All yesterday, Facebook doesn't feed me.
Guys, share this program next time now. How about it? Share and keep sharing. Click love and like and now share because.
Ma all those time. In defending of minister. Facebook will strike him. Since that time, we will now the year. But February, March, April, 3 months, May, 4 months. Men are starting to really disabled. Not red, not even yellow. Also not yellow, not warning, not red. Every time you still the monetization is out. Just because now you know in video JPAC post room or you video post you know honestly say I want to say how far can you say what about us? Yes, and there are they were abroad and when they pay, even in case you pay.
Those criminals. 2 criminals.
But not to remind them now. Previous months, have come once to once as poor as the pay may be. You know, 2 million naira a month. And that's has come once to once. $2 million, $2,000. That's the man that moons on your eye. On almost about 3 or 4. So, pay you very easy. Or to tip you. Then they defend the ministry. I am not sure of anything. I'm not $2 million naira. The February, March, April, May. 8 million naira just gone. whatever kind of way to move the page, you see, move from the army. Not if I ever still my 4 accounts will make it monetized. I'm saying the hanging, category, the request that depending on meta app. So my background accounts will time they use more Mr. Jepa comedy. But he had 1,000 followers before build this year. Before it was not giving me or giving any profits. It was here, if I don't make post anything called ministry because all the story go account. All the story go my account. I don't make post anything called ministry, church, whatever. I don't make post see.
If you reason what you will make you turn immediately, say window kajuko, sindo kajigarese. If you reason what you will make you turn, makangunga wuku na gonna help ufwebe. He made that U-turn because no I could know if I want to make with OBI with all sincerity. I am on working monetizing, I monetize. You got to go now because now that monetization happen. That monetization working well conscience here is so now is so poppy. Did you see? The reason Pataroji was saying no Muzifo Basal, no Kandoka Juebido, Mojiri Egypt is because no lose monetization yet. Now, no more, and not one I wouldn't even afford back. But he decided to fight back, Makegaho, always goal. Now, no, or a coincident that we Igbo Credo mention 9 million, 2 million into 4 months. Is it not 8 million? 1 million go follow. Or 9 million. Now the 50 month I equiva or 9 million. You got to go even now while because all calculate $2,000 no 1 million per $1,000. So or is it coincidence now or we go see where that cost nante. Game taking way malo now this most of the content creators, especially bloggers, same way na South is do very evil. Game take all your wish. I decided to say this thing again today because of this issue. But going to again.
Account disabled. And the woman account disabled. What do you hear the check
You should be own account how to disable where if you wait canopi at least when you go for property. A go make him a demand the can actually demand from evangelization go be go to property because you want to fight for a ministry that nobody mandated you to. Or go in a post to in solidarity to Zion ministry or na ndacho kuna gonna have phobia or where an information though they decided to let you have that information. Does it amount to paying you? Yes, does it amount to paying you? No will information actually for public consumption. Does it amount to paying you? That is the question I'm asking. Eh? You monetize everything because when if interest. It is all about money and interest. So go and check on how they defend your interest about go the biggest EU of our century because why they are making money go and up let us take him back to what happened of recent so that he will see how inconsistent they are because of their pursuit for money.
we push new accounts.
You see? Money.
To 10,000 to 20,000 followers. Still nothing to show up.
Click love and like. They're reporting my video. Click love and like. And share the video. Share. Get it.
If I was on this, if I want to maybe go.
I don't know.
Share to subdue their report.
I can't come out. Because now
oh God, if I would make it.
Because he was, I don't happy. I don't lie you.
I don't happy.
don't even hide my life. I don't happy.
I don't happy.
I'm not happy at all.
About the anger people.
I'm getting my gem. In a while, when I was everything, I can't do when you should own everybody may more overlook. I don't know happy.
Everybody may
overlook. So send the voice note out to Evangelist Ebukobi.
The reason
why I don't know online when I didn't account for the disabled and I don't know my I'm not
Ngomwa nozikwo eklemu na ịmaghị ife a na-eme ngomwa nozikwo eklemu na ịmaghị ife a na-eme ijos wure elu. They stated it very clearly to you in this voice note the reason for their anger and the reason for their obsession. They cannot pretend na ịmaghọ eche na ha kwuru na ha amaghọ ịghọtago so ha na-agwaghị ya ọdụka ya sị na amaghị ife a na-ekwu ọkwa ifuga ebe anger ha si wee bido ifuga ebe ife with the cause of that anger now because na onye a feel na interest ya adụghọ met up with or decide to start acting in that way or recruit owu esi na WhatsApp group recruit a lot of their fellow bloggers na Southeast ndị ha feel na ha na they reason together. They started hitting from different angles. Raise battle against Akkuzion or do with personal thing Akkuzion meluha. But now you have seen the cause of the anger. If I have something personal interest, how will you manipulate a onunine Isuruhane Mekase? You thought they are fighting genuinely. They will always pretend to you like they are fighting a genuine fight. You want to know that what they are doing is that one born out of selfish interest. Imagine if Nebuje go beaver. Imagine if na go forward to the evangelist go beaver. Evangelist go will say, okay, we'll 10 million or 15 million when you have. You should not go to dark if no nako. Keri feature follow kita or from ba. Keri feature make kita or more no ba. What has changed? If not the fact that now look, some of us have sacrificed go our time and our page. We don't even expect thank you from anybody. We don't even expect anybody to compliment us and tell us to write down. We don't. If I name, we find a Chineke sign not how. And that is why say even if as the only speak for yourself, my dear. Because now Monayo I made the same thing. Monaga they made the same thing. If we decide without anybody patronizing me or paying me. When I started doing it, I never even knew that one day I would get to meet somebody and Akkuzion. I wasn't even expecting such engagement with Akkuzion. I didn't expect it then. I didn't know it will happen. You got to go. So they thought that Namuni Ijowa and the rest of us that we are in the same business with them, business of making money with people's intelligence. So now you know that they are full of lies and deceit. So we have the content creators so known as Southeast. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha not hancha, especially in the bloggers. Ya amụ ya na Igbo ọkụ very soon because of their selfish interest. Jede na akwụkwọ ekwuoye emewe live broadcast kọbụ ofu akụkọ mana ịma na na-ekwu eziokwu nke a wuru ife imepe anya wee nyewu na ọ na-decide imepe anya. Ụfọdụ n'ime na-decide gị ikpu isi. So i decide ikpu isi uwe isi ka a na-eme ụpọpị echi niile onwekwa ka ifesi wee hugharị ya sọnwa olukọrụkwu niile na-akpụ n'inwe pocket ya ka ọ na-achụ. I don't make money from Facebook. Facebook doesn't feed me. Facebook doesn't feed me. A good account Ijowa account of almost 200,000 followers. Bidokwe build another one. Omegi Ijowa anything. Yeah? I'm also going to issue mulanya. Be careful with bloggers. Be very, very careful with bloggers. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha enweghị your best interest at heart. Only their selfish interest. If I will remember, but they decided to bring it back so that I can remind him of something based on program. It is strictly about their interest. Share this video.